we are here with Chef Paul from that restaurant. You can see it right on his jacket, KOKS. What a treat this is to spend some time with you on the open before we have dinner at your place tonight.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Michelin-starred chef, let me tell you what, you are one of the very, very few. So accomplished. Can you tell us a little bit about yourself and about your restaurant?
Yeah, of course. My name is Poul Andrias Ziska. I'm the executive chef at restaurant KOKS. We have 2 Michelin stars as we speak. And we are a restaurant that is focusing on the local ingredients and food culture here on the Faroe Islands. We do a tasting menu, which is around 17 to maybe 20 courses, where we try to highlight as much as possible of the Faroe Islands in our menu. And 80% of our menu comes from the ocean around us, and that's something that we are very fortunate. The Faroe Islands is a very small country. You can never be more than 5 kilometers away from the coastline. So we are actually getting all of our fish or seafood delivered fresh, more or less every day. We work together with some divers and fishermen that collect different things that we're gonna take a look at in a little bit, and then they hang it here in this kind of floating bridge we have here in the village of Kalbak. So we just drive out every day and pick up what we need for the day, and that's one of the advantages that we have being situated where we are. And then we also focus a lot on the more fermented, strong flavors of the more traditional Faroese foods, like fermented lamb, fermented fish, and some seabirds and stuff like that. Yeah.
Wonderful. We're excited. So
cool.
All right. So now, what are we looking for?
Well, we're just gonna pull up some of the seafood here,
okay.
And then some of the things we can just open up and eat raw.
Okay.
Yeah. I think that's what we're gonna do. These are mahogany clams, which is supposedly one of the oldest creatures you can find in the sea. You can get between 400 and 500 years old. It's only the Greenlandic shark that gets older than this one. It's been used on the Faroe Islands for a long time, but primarily as bait for catching other fish. They don't use it anymore, but the divers are able to collect these and supply us with them. They're super tasty. So I think you should have a taste of this one.
Yeah, well, we dive. We put them in these nets.
Okay.
So just to take them up, but usually we put them in the boxes, but we haven't done that today. So usually we put them in smaller boxes so
sure.
they can, have a better life.
Right. They're all fresh to them.
Yeah. They're pretty
amazing.
Good. You can see they are moving.
They're all moving, yeah. Oh yeah.
So we should take a few so we can taste.
All right, look what we have here. Look at these things.
Some fresh langoustines. Let's
Huge.
see if we can come out of here.
How long have you been in there for?
A couple of days.
A couple of days.
Yeah.
Incredible.
They live. You can keep them in boxes like this. Obviously, we don't want to have them too long, but
yes.
but they keep for a week or two if necessary.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah.
Scallops. Yes. Oh, nice. The labels are.
Take a few of those.
also have blue mussels, horse mussels. Maybe show you one here. Is this? Yeah, this is the horse mussel.
Okay.
You're gonna get this tonight. I won't be able to, or it's not good to eat raw.
Right.
But when you cook it, it's really nice, and you can see how it's a.
Wow, that's a nice size.
It's a nice size, huh?
Beautiful.
Very similar to the blue mussels, just a lot bigger, huh?
Okay.
We have sea snail also that we use on the menu.
Oh, sea snail.
Yeah.
Oh,
No, sorry, not sea snail. Sea cucumber.
Sea cucumber.
Sea
Oh,
cucumber,
man.
yeah.
This is live. Is unbelievable. I've never seen a live one. I want to see the dried up ones.
Yeah, exactly. We cook these for 4 hours and then grill them.
Okay.
Nice sea snails.
Okay.
It's also something that we cook for braise them overnight, so around 10-12 hours.
Wow.
And then we slice them super thinly.
Okay. Oh yes. That's gold right there.
It is. Again, these are very small, but they should be just as tasty as any.
It's very
Good,
sweet.
Sweet.
Sweet, huh? There's a spike on this one. Should maybe have started with these ones actually, because they're very. Oh. You can see how it's.
Yeah, so live. Very fresh.
Now I'm just. You can also eat it with the roe.
It's like Japan, right? Last time we had something so fresh like this was back in Japan. Actually, Okinawa.
Okinawa.
Yeah.
Usually you have to have like a. So there's one muscle here and one here, so you have to open it this way, then go around, and then hit the muscle on the side like that, and then you should be able to open it. Woo!
It's alive.
Uh,
Yeah. Everything is alive. Yeah.
It is. Sweet, sweet.
That's that beef. Get your spoon.
Let's take a look at that here.
I think this is actually the liver that sits up in this this part of the langoustine. Some say it's the brain, but I have a hard time imagining that the brain of a langoustine is that big.
Wouldn't be here if
It wouldn't be here. This one is still. Usually you have to boil it for a couple of seconds to get it out, so it's quite.
It's gonna be hard to do like this.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna. It's very stuck. Oh, okay.
So fresh, huh? Literally just a couple of minutes old. How's the meat? Very tender, sweet.
The rest you'll get tonight.
Okay. I can't wait. Thank you so much for your time,
Yeah, of
and we'll
course.
see you later.
Yeah, we will.
Okay.
Looking forward to it.